Peafowl. Peafowl is a common name of three bird species in the genera Pavo and Afro-Pavo within the tribe Pavonin of the family Phasianidae. Male peafowl are referred to as peacocks and female peafowl are referred to as peahens and baby peafowl as peachicks. Even though peafowl of either sex are often referred to colloquially as peacocks, the word really only refers to the male bird. The peacock has some of brightest feathers and one of the most impressive counting display of any bird in the world. The peacocks are male. Peacocks take years to develop colorful tail feathers. They are the national birds of India. In 1963, the blue or Indian peacock was designated India's national bird. Their crests are actually important centers.